Okay, so in this video, we're gonna inject the view model into the view, and we're also gonna test the sounds actually work. So the first thing we're gonna do is go to the entry point of our app. In other words, this shows the app right over here. And let's create a state variable. So state private var, and this will be our game view model. I'm just going to call this GVM. So this is of type game view model, and this will be equal to game, an instance of game view model. And we want to inject this using an environment. So dot environment. This will be globally accessible to our views that have an environment variable. Okay, great. So now let's command click on content view. And I'd like to rename the content view. Let's call it main view. So refactor, rename. So this will be called main view. And let's add an environment variable. So environment game view model dot self var gvm. And let's go down to the preview. This is very important. Add dot environment. Well, you see it crashed because we didn't have that there. Would have been better to put that there first so the preview doesn't crash. Maybe we'll hide the preview for now. So I press Option Command Enter to hide the preview. And now environment game will enter an instance of the game view model so the preview won't crash. Okay, very nice. Now let's add a couple of buttons to test. Let's add a button. We'll test joy. So let's do this again. Button. So we'll do title action. So the title will be joy, and the action we can use GVM dot random expression of joy. And let's create, and we can add some padding to this. It's going to be removed anyways at some point. And for incorrect answers, incorrect sound. Okay, great. And now let's click on joy. Okay.
Awesome. 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 Awesome.
Okay.
Yes.
So we heard everything. It would have been better for the sake of testing not to use the randomness. Okay,
that was pretty weak.
Yeah, that's not so nice. I think that we should change that. I like that one actually. I think in the final version of that, I'll remove the pretty weak. Yeah, that's not so nice.
Oh no.
Oh no, I like that. Okay, we should be nice, but you know, you be creative. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, great. So we injected the view model into the view. That's great. And we're starting to see some structure, and we also tested the sounds out. So we're going to continue to develop this app, and we still need to develop the game view model and also do some unit testing on the code that we will create. So we still have some work ahead of us, but it's coming along. So great. Have an amazing day, and see you next time.